when you're in Philadelphia, it's all about the history, but history isn't just about monuments and museums. It can be about the food, and that's why we went to City Tavern for lunch.
It's the original building, well, not the original building because it got demolished, but they had it rebuilt.
Right, they had it rebuilt based on the time frame, so that the rooms that you were in, and the chandeliers, and the lighting, even some of the glasses and plates that you were using were replicated. Here for lunch at the City Tavern, and of course you have to sample their flight of beers that they make on site. You said the Ales of the Revolution, based on 4 different beers.
Here's our colonial bread tray. And the lighter bread that's on the tray is called Sally Lunn. It's an English white tea style bread. The brown bread sliced in the middle is the Anadama. It's a cornmeal and molasses bread. And those biscuits are Thomas Jefferson's favorite recipe for sweet potato and pecan biscuits. And we make all of our breads as well as our desserts fresh daily in our City Tavern's pastry kitchen. Enjoy.
Beautiful.
I got the turkey pot pie.
The lobster pie. What? The lobster something. Lobster pie.
Seafood pasta. What was I answering?
Beef pie over here.
Manic pasta.
Look at that one too.
She's more interested in the food than you.
I'll grab it. Yeah, you are.
We have our lemon pound cake with fresh whipped cream and a fresh berry medley. Here's the peach cobbler, served warm, topped with ice cream. We have vanilla, chocolate, and cinnamon. Here's our vanilla bean creme brulee. Here we have Martha Washington's signature recipe for a chocolate mousse cake. Here we have the Linda tart, has a hazelnut crust with the raspberry filling, also come with ice cream. And last but not least, the white chocolate and raspberry cheesecake.
Then what do you think the fact that all the dishes on that menu are based historically in Philadelphia and the time frame, like we're talking 1700s?
That's really cool. The place is very historically themed, and plus, like,
They had it rebuilt.
The
Yeah.
exact colors
But
and the exact.
that's right.
in its former glory.
So that's great that we're talking about food that's all based on history, but how did you enjoy it?
It was really good. I liked it a lot.
I like the corn chowder. That was
Corn chowder was great.
My favorite thing was probably the seafood pasta, which is their one of their specials today.
I like the cheesecake. That was really good.
Desserts. Yes, you can't go wrong with desserts, right? If you're feeling it, give this video a little love. You can always find me here talking family fun, books for kids, and of course, more travel ideas. So be sure to subscribe so you know when the next video is published. Until next time, ciao!